I was shocked talaga na wala siyang sinabi kasi she's so close to Bianca. Tapos you see me and Bianca
Ganun
crying
talaga sila ni Bianca.
Gumanon lang siya, oh. Like, example, you guys are hugging and crying. Tapos gumanon lang siya. Bro, imagine if that was your best friend in here. Sabi pa sa akin ni Ate Ashley, bawal daw ako umalis. Bawal ako pala siya naman ang una.
Monica?
Controversial. No wonder she's like that. Iniiyak-iyak niya na people outside don't like her. No wonder why. Kasi diba I've been overthinking if people actually think that I like Dustin or Ral. Then I told her that. I was like, I talked to people para to check if they actually think that. And then the people that I talked to said no. Said they know it's just a joke. You know what she said? She was like, of course you're gonna say no. She has a different way of playing safe. Playing safe while destroying other people.
Tsaka parang lagi natin sinasabi na hindi niya iniisip na mas matanda tayo sa kanya. Pero tayo ba, di ba natin ever nakalimutan na mas bata siya sa atin?
Isip ko lang dahil.
Personally, I don't think
Siya
she
rin.
mean anything bad.
Oo, feeling ko naman.
Kaya dapat talaga sabihin sa kanya. Pero like, din, alam niya din.
Sobrang ano lang siya kasi playful lang.
Yeah, at saka baka kawawa
Ganun
din siya
naman
sa
kasi
outside
talaga.
world if hindi maayos.
Pinakamababa ko pong binigay is si Mika. Ang feeling ko po si Mika hindi nagpapakatotoo kasi minsan feeling ko yung mga ginagawa niya lang po is all the chores para po hindi makita ng tao na hindi siya nagiging honest sa sarili niya pati na rin po sa amin. Nung nawala po si AC at Ate Ash, parang paparinig daw po siya. I don't feel realness or genuinity from a person like that.
Sa akin po, kuya, ang pinakakailangan mag-try pa po magpakatotoo is si Mika. Kita nyo naman po, siya lang po yung nabigyan ko ng number 2. May nakita po kasi ako, kuya, na hindi ko nagustuhan. If she has some feelings po, medyo hindi po siya okay about or towards somebody, sana sabihin niya na lang po. Hindi yung she will play it safe po, kuya.
Someone in this house, I think, needs to be more real. I'd say si Ate Mika because she's saying that she wishes or she hopes that people will see her as her true self. How are the people gonna see the real you if you're not gonna tell the story about you? Kaya hindi ko po masasabi talaga ng 100% na naging totoo siya.
Para sa akin po, kuya, ang isang housemate na kailangan magpakatotoo si Mika po. Kasi nararamdaman ko po talaga na most of the time, hindi po siya genuine. Lagi po